Established in 2000 with 6 school-based nurseries located within Louisiana's coastal zone, there are now more than 40 schools across 17 parishes participating in the Coastal Roots Seedling Nursery program. The mission of Coastal Roots is to educate both teachers and students about the issues of coastal stewardship and sustainability, and to have them actively participate in coastal habitat restoration through a native species planting on a small part of our coast. Each student-managed Coastal Roots school-based plant nursery produces native plants for use in coastal restoration plantings. Students managing these nurseries oversee the entire growth cycle of the plants, from seed germination to the planting of one-year-old seedlings or grass plugs on their annual restoration trip. This video showcases the uniqueness of this particular planting site and its restoration needs, while providing students with a better understanding of the value of their restoration work.
What I like about the planting opportunity that we're doing today is it gets the kids involved, their parents involved, us an organization involved, and we're actually going to be planting trees that are going to eventually become a new forest or help it sustain the forest here and provide a new canopy. So these kids are going to be able to come back in 5 years, 10 years, and find their trees that they've planted today, see how much they've grown, and hopefully eventually bring their own kids to see them. So Fontainebleau State Park is one of the first original state parks here in Louisiana. We've got 2,800 acres. We're close to New Orleans, we're close to Baton Rouge. We've got nature trails, hiking trails, splash pad, cabins, lodges, group camps, all amenities you could expect to have at a state park, and a wonderful opportunity for families to come out, enjoy nature, enjoy themselves, and connect with the resources of Louisiana. Right now, students are working in an area that's kind of a transition from the hard ground, and some of them planting some cypress trees into the swamps. That's going to really provide an opportunity to prevent any erosion, and also going to help replenish the forest from some of the damage that was sustained in some of the hurricanes that have passed by recently. Being right on the south shore of Louisiana, we do have the threats of hurricanes. So you've got shore of Lake Pontchartrain, you've got some saltwater intrusion sometimes when the storms come in, and some storm surge opportunities. So anything that we're planting along the shore is going to help prevent any erosion. This is such a wonderful opportunity for all kind of wildlife. Right here at the edge of the marsh, you're going to have gators, you're going to have some otters, you're going to have some deer, you're going to have all kinds of whether it be reptiles or amphibians. So these trees are going to help provide that opportunity for not only shelter, but protection and food sources for all these animals that are here. I think the planting efforts are being successful right now because there has been some damage from recent storms. Ida did cause some damage from the trees and took away some of the canopy. We also had some pine beetle infestation back in the 90s that took out some of the higher canopy. So these trees that we're planting now, right now they've got the opportunity to grow because the sunlight's hitting them, but eventually they're going to provide that canopy that the other animals do need. Louisiana State Parks provides opportunities for families to come, enjoy themselves, and commune with nature. You can camp, you can fish, you can do all sorts of outdoor activities. So it's an opportunity for them to learn more about their nature, their estate, when it comes to historical values, our recreation opportunities. It's just an opportunity for the residents of Louisiana to enjoy the state itself.